Welcome to video 4 in the Horse Racing Pro Predictions Help series. In this video we'll look at the staking plan page. Staking plan is where your selected bets are recorded and managed. When you select a bet from either the value bets page or the Bet Selector page, that bet is automatically populated into the bet ledger on the staking plan page. This gives you a structured place to track your betting activity, monitor open and settle bets, review profit and loss, and control your staking settings. To open the staking plan, click Staking Plan from the main navigation menu. This takes you to the page where your bet records, staking defaults and strategy settings are managed. The staking plan is not just a list of bets, it is designed to help you keep your betting process organised. Instead of selecting bets and then trying to track them manually elsewhere, the site records them in one central ledger. Bets can be added to the bet ledger from the two main areas of the site. First is the value bets page, and second is the Bet Selector page. When a bet is selected on either of those pages, it is populated into the bet ledger on the staking plan page. This means the staking plan connects directly with the site's main selection areas. You can review value bets, select the ones you want to record, and then manage them from the staking plan. This helps keeps your selections, stakes and results in one place. At the top of the staking plan page, you'll see a summary of the current betting cycle. This includes open bets, settled bets, cycle profit and loss, and the starting bank for the current betting cycle. Open bets are bets that have been recorded but not yet been settled. Settled bets are bets where the outcome has been recorded. Cycle profit and loss shows how the current betting cycle is performing. The starting bank shows the bank amount that was set at the beginning of the cycle. This top selection gives you a quick snapshot of where things stand before you look at the detailed ledger below. The main part of the page is the bet ledger. This is where selected bets are recorded. The bet ledger lets you review the bets that have been added from the value bets and bet selector pages. This is useful because it gives you a clear record of what has been selected, what is still open, and what has been settled. The purpose of the ledger is to help you keep track of betting activity in a disciplined way. When using any betting strategy, keep accurate records is important. Without a ledger, it becomes much harder to know what has been backed, what has won, what has lost, and how the strategy is performing over time. The bet ledger can also be downloaded. This is useful if you want to carry out later analysis away from the website. For example, you may want to review your betting activity on a spreadsheet, compare performance over different periods, or keep your own external records. The download option gives you a way to export the ledger rather than relying on the on-screen view. At the bottom of the page, horses can be entered manually onto the staking plan. This is useful if you want to add a horse yourself rather than selecting it directly from the value bets or bet selector pages. Manual entry gives you more flexibility. It allows you to record a bet or horse that you want to track within the staking plan, even if it has not been added automatically from one of the selection pages. Once entered, it can be included into your staking records. Horses can also be deleted from the bet ledger and edited, so the stake, the odds and the return can all be edited. The staking plan also allows you to set your staking defaults. These defaults control how staking is calculated and managed. The main staking defaults include the starting bank, the Kelly fraction, the bank percentage, and the flat stake default. The starting bank is the amount used as a base for the betting cycle. The Kelly fraction is used when applying Kelly staking. It controls how aggressive or conservative the Kelly stake should be. The bank percentage to bet is used when staking a fixed percentage of the bank. These settings are important because they affect how much is staked. A staking method should always be used carefully. Large stakes can increase returns when things go well, but they can also increase losses when results go against you. You can also set the strategy staking defaults. The available options are Kelly staking, percent staking, or flat staking. The Kelly staking calculates the stake based on the perceived edge and the Kelly fraction. Bank percentage staking uses a fixed percentage of your bank, whereas flat staking uses a fixed stake, regardless of the bank size or calculated edge. The advantage of setting defaults by strategy is that different strategies can use different staking approaches. For example, one strategy may be set to flat staking, while another may use bank percentage staking or Kelly staking. This gives you more control over how each strategy is managed. A simple workflow would look like this. First, go to the Value Bets page or the Bet Selector page. Next, select the bet you want to record. The bet is then populated into the bet ledger on the staking plan page. From there, you can review open bets, check settled bets, monitor the cycle profit and loss, and confirm the starting bank for the current betting cycle. If needed, you can manually add horses at the bottom of the page. You can also adjust the staking defaults and choose the staking method for each strategy. This keeps the process structured from selection through staking to review. The staking plan is important because betting is not only about finding selections, it's also about recording bets properly, controlling stakes, and reviewing performance. The Value Bets and Bet Selector pages help identify selections. The staking plan helps manage what happens after those selections are made. It gives you a clearer view of your open bets, selected bets, profit and loss, and staking method. This makes it easier to follow a more disciplined process. That completes this guide to the staking plan page on the Horse Racing Pro Predictions. In the next video, we'll look at the Value Bets and Bet Selector pages, where the site shows the main value selections, multiples, and the NAP. You can visit the website at horseracingpropredictions.co.uk. Please remember that staking plans, betting strategies, and selections are for information only. They do not guarantee profit. Always bet responsibly and only with money you can afford to lose.